Hey guys, Jared here, and I got a couple of these to help clean out and purify the air in my home. This is actually an air ionizer, and it works for square footage of about 250 square feet. I'm a big fan of ionizers, and they work really, really well. I've used this in the bathroom, I've used this in the bedroom, just to try it out, and you can actually tell a significant difference when these are on and how it purifies the air. And not just cleaning the air, but it also is designed to help with pet dander and smoke and all of those types of smells as well too. So it's powered by a micro USB right here or a USB-A as well. And it comes with the cord that you just plug right into the back. And it's really small and sleek. It's powered here. All you do is press this button to turn it on, and it's extremely silent. I mean, my PC is louder than this. So all I have it right here inside the bedroom, and it takes care of this whole area. And I got the 2-pack right here, and it does a fantastic job. So if you're looking for a way to purify the air in your home to help get rid of dander and different odors, this would be a great idea. I would highly recommend checking these out.